So hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are gonna talk about an airdrop which is not pirate, so you can do it fast as possible. So now I will do not give a link, so I will not give a link. I will just give my telegram channel link and the discussion group link and some more matter. So after the video you should keep an eye on my telegram channel. So after 1 minute you will get a link over there, so directly click on that and do the process from this video by seeing this video. So guys, this airdrop is Gemit airdrop. So this airdrop name is Gemit. So today we are gonna talk about this airdrop. So first of all, click on the start button, and after clicking on the link which I had given, click on that directly and you will get an interface like this. So okay guys, first you should start the bot. So after starting the bot you will get an interface like this. So now just simply go down and now just click on the join airdrop button. So as you can see, I already clicked the join airdrop button. You should click on the join airdrop button. So now what to do? So now just simply go to your trust wallet and copy your Binance merchant address. So click on copy and just go here and paste it here and send it there after clicking on the join airdrop button. So after sending the address, I mean the Binance merchant address, you will get an interface again like this. So now just you will get some options like main tasks, and skip tasks. So something will come. So now directly simply click on the main task button. So directly click on the main task button. So after clicking on the main task button you will get an interface like this guys. So you will get some interface like this. So now just directly click on the join telegram button, which you will see in the telegram bot after doing all the above processes. So click on the join telegram button, and as you can see there is in telegram channel link, telegram group link. So directly click on the group link and now you will get an interface like this. So now you should simply click on the let me in. So after clicking on the let me in you will get an interface like this. So you should just start the bot and you should accept the terms and conditions by clicking a button you will get. So click on the button and you will accept the terms and conditions. You will be gone to the you are accepted into the group. So now come back to the bot again. So now come back to the bot again and click on the done button after completing the processes like accepting joining the telegram group and accepting the terms and conditions, and come back to the bot and click on the done button, which you will see in the telegram bot after doing the above processes. So now you should click on the use Gemit button. So after completing the telegram task you should directly click done, and after clicking on the done you should click on the use Gemit. So after that you will get an interface like this and you will be given a link over here. So now directly click on the link. So directly click on the link and you should wait for few seconds. So you should wait for few seconds. So you should do like this, and by refreshing this you will be given a code. So guys, so as you can see here there is an airdrop code. So what to do? So directly click on the OK button and just copy the code. So after copying the code, come back to the bot and paste the code over here. So okay guys, paste the code. So paste the code. So this is the simple process, but it is complicated to do, but it is simple if you got it. So after pasting the code here, send it there, send it in the bot after completing the process. So send the code. So now you should do one more step, follow Gemit on Twitter. So now you should click on the follow Twitter. So simply click on the button called follow Twitter, and as you can see there is a link over here, Twitter link. So directly click on the Twitter link. So as you can see I click it on the link. So after clicking on that you should click on the follow button. Okay guys, click on the follow button and now just simply you will be given one more retweet link, tweet link. So click on the tweet link and give it a like and click here and click quote tweet. So after clicking on the quote tweet, you will be given some hashtags, so copy it and paste it here, and after that remove the exceptions of the hashtags. So write something, anything else, and tag the reference like this. You should keep at the rate and it will be given as a tagging of friends. So now just click on the retweet tweet button, and after completing the process, click on the retweet button. So after that, copy your tweet link, the retweet link. So copy your retweet link and paste it here. So after completing it, you will be completing the main tasks. So now after completing all this, you will get an interface like this. By completing all this, so now just simply click on the menu button. So after pasting your retweet link, you will be get an interface like this. So you should click on the main menu button. So simply click on the main menu button. So after clicking on the main menu button, you will be getting one more interface like this: main tasks and side tasks. So now you should complete the side task, because they will giving some more Gemit by completing the side tasks. Okay, but the main tasks are required tasks and the side tasks are not required. That means they are optional, but you can complete them. So how to complete? So after clicking on the main menu button, you will get an interface like this. So after getting this interface, you will be getting some button like side tasks. So simply click on the button and you will be getting an interface like this: join our Reddit channel, vote on CoinSnipper, follow airdrops.ninja. So simply complete the first task by clicking on the join Reddit. So simply click on the join Reddit button and follow the Reddit account. So after following the Reddit account, simply send your Reddit username like this. Okay, so now your Reddit task will be completed. So simply click on the CoinSnipper vote. So you should complete the CoinSnipper vote. So it is an optional, so you can do that. So to complete that, click on the CoinSnipper vote button. So after that, vote the CoinSnipper here. So you should not task. That if you didn't completed the voting, no problem. They are asking none of here. So simply click on the done button and you will be getting one more 50 Gemit again. So now simply click on the follow airdrops.ninja, and now so this is an optional task because they are giving 0 Gemit. So you can complete, you cannot complete, that is your wish. So simply click on that and simply copy the hashtag. So follow the Twitter and simply quote tweet the retweet. Now you will get so after pasting your retweet link, you will be getting some interface like this. So you will be getting some interface like this. So now simply click on the main menu. So this is the whole process. So here you will be getting some referral link, so you can refer your friends. That is your wish. That is an optional task. So this is the whole process for the Gemit. I made a video because this bot is somewhat different from the other bots. Okay guys, so this is the whole process for the Gemit airdrop, and this is not viral yet. So you can complete it as fast as possible before the bot gets done. If the bot gets done, it takes so much time to complete all the tasks. So complete it now and wait for a while, and now it's complete. So done guys. So this is the full video, whole process. This video may be longer, but watch it to complete it. If you want to complete the airdrop, watch this video. So because this is the only thing you should do. So if you got understood all the steps, okay, no problem. If you can't, watch this video. Okay guys, thank you all. So please give a subscribe, please give the subscribe guys. So please click on the subscribe button and please click on the bell notifications and turn on all notifications, so you will not ever miss any other update. So one more thing guys, what to do. So now this is the something like, so my channel, many are not turned on the notifications. As you can see, only 51% turn on the notifications. So more 50% turn on your notifications as fast as possible. So this is the whole video guys. Thanks to you all for the great support. We had reached more than 10,000 subscribers in the Telegram channel, and we can see 100k. Isn't it? Yeah. So guys, please give a like. It will be motivation for me. Thanks. Bye bye.